The first one we want to look at is the one I call Vida AI. Vida AI is the first one, and it doesn't need you to register. All you have to do is just to go to your browser and then you type Vida. So type Vida even before you don't type in it pops up on your browser. Then you click on it, and as soon as you open it, you are good to go. It needs no registration. Not only that, it's an online kind of platform that you can, right there online, you can make use of it without you having to subscribe or register. Okay, so you just open it and then you use as you go. Okay, and like I said, you can generate image for free, as well as you can generate video. You can generate image, text to image. You can also do text to video or image to video, as the case may be. All right, and without you having to pay. But because it's a free version, so you might have some delay, okay, during the course of generation, especially if you are doing that for video. All right, so so this is Vida. So now let's just look at the second one. I will be showing you before the video ends, so some of the things that I was able to do using all these platforms. I tested them, and they really, some of them work quite well without wasting time. Okay, they're able to produce the result, while others took time and I couldn't just wait any further. Okay, but I'll advise you, if you want to really get the result quickly or as soon as possible without that long delay, okay, it will work better for you if you will use them at night. All right, so the second one we're looking at is called AI Video Maker. AI Video Maker. So you just go to your browser. Okay, go to your browser and type AI Video Maker. Okay, so you click on it. All right, and then you go ahead and open it. Okay, that's the first one. All right, this is a platform, and it's for free.